Welcome back, guys. My name is Leland, bringing you another TA of the GRT. So it looks like we have broken this bottom support line over here. We had this resistance, or I'm sorry, the support here, kind of touched right there, and we have clearly broken down to the downside. Also, we have broken down out of the Fibonacci retracement. A little bearish here on the short term, but nothing to be concerned. If we go ahead and go over to the MACD, you can see that we still have this upward moving momentum coming back here and is still in play, very much so. We are coming down. I'm going to zoom in just a little bit here on the 1 hour chart. But if you look, we're about to shift this momentum going up. So we were going down for a little bit. This is the histogram, guys, and every time you see a red candle, that means we're going to see further downside. One of these lighter red, I call them candles. They're not candles. It's a histogram chart thing. To be honest, I don't even really know what they're called with these each individual little bars here. We'll just call them bars for now. The bars are getting lighter in the red color, and we are starting to move up. As we get across right here, I do expect to have a little bit of a short-term play of the price moving up. Not financial advice, guys, just sharing the data with you. I'm still very, very bullish on GRT as it is in this price discovery mode. This token is incredible. It's a fantastic project, and by no means am I done with the GRT just because we have a little bit of sideways moving action. You know what? Sideways moving is much better than going down and having these huge downswings as we were experiencing previously. But as you saw in my video yesterday, we are having this momentum shift, and we are still in this momentum shift. We are still caught between the bottom support of this Fibonacci retracement. Now that is it is now resistance, and we have support at the 34-cent line. You can see back here we've held this line previously. Breaking below this line over here would take us down to a 31-cent GRT. That is not good. We want to look for the support here. But to be quite honest, if we do break down and start testing these levels, we could get a little bearish in the short term. We could see further downside, and at that point, charting does become a little bit more difficult. We might be able to say that this wick right here could be a level of support. As you see, this acted as supports, and then this one, this red candle, or yeah, the red candle over there. I'm sorry, backwards. This one was acting as a resistance. This one was acting as support. So it is possible that we could go down to a 28-cent GRT. Do I think that's going to happen right now in the short term? I don't believe so. I think we do have to get below this 34-cent line initially before that happens. Everything's pretty undersold right now. It is possible that we could expect more sell-off from GRT. We are definitely having more selling than we are having buying. As you guys can see, the price is moving down. I believe it's about a 66% sale right now versus a what's the math on that? 40 or 34% buy. Really low, very, very low right now. But people are very skeptic, and they're just kind of questioning. Once things settle down, the dust settles down. As you can see, we're already starting to do that. The dust is settling down. We're kind of finding this medium for us. I think GRT is really going to start finding its bearings, and we can start to decide where the direction of it is going to go. Long term, I'm so long, guys. I do expect GRT to hit over $1 in 2021, considering the bull market that we're going to have with Bitcoin, and everything is dependent upon Bitcoin. If Bitcoin is going to go down, guys, GRT is going to go down. Every alt is going to go down. If we go 4% down in Bitcoin, you're going to see a lot more blood in the streets with these other altcoins than you are with Bitcoin, especially with GRT. But what I have been noticing is these drops that we've been having with Bitcoin. And let me see if I can bring it up over here. These drops, right? They're not very big. I believe this one from over here was about a 4% drop, right? We didn't have that big of a pullback on GRT. It was very much still Where's my GRT? I'm going crazy over here. These pullbacks were not that dramatic, and you can see that's probably about this pullback right here, where we fell out of the triangle and broke down. There, it's not as dramatic as most. It was, look, it was almost about the same percentage wise. If you go look at other altcoins, I guarantee you're going to see a lot bigger one. Just kidding, we're not going to go to XRP. Although, hey guys, let me just mention real quick. I know XRP is just having a bloodbath right now. It is having a bloodbath. But if you look at previous levels, and I don't think it's going to show it on this chart, I'm gonna attempt to bring it up. Nope, it's not going to be on this chart. Although whatever's going on with the SEC, I know you guys are not here to talk about Ripple, but I just want to share this real quick. I personally believe that XRP is not dead. The only time that I think XRP is going to be dead is below 15 cents, as that is a key support line for XRP. I'm not saying to go buy it, but these opportunities to have this very discounted XRP are probably never going to happen again. I'm going to bite my tongue if we go ahead and break below that 15. I personally do not have any money allocated towards Ripple, but I do not think Ripple is dead. I think that SEC is the whole thing's going to play out, and I think Ripple can come back and succeed even after this lawsuit. Anyways, going back to GRT, guys. So what I think we can expect for GRT is some more sideways movement. It's not a dead project. I see people in the comments saying, hey, I bought over at 70 cents and I'm kind of freaking out. What should I do? Hold, buy and hold. Hold it. It in my personal opinion, and like I said, it's not financial advice, we're going to go higher. We are going to go higher. We're going to go see a $1, a $2, a $3, and this is just the beginning, guys. This is what happens with every coin, every token that comes out. Not all, right? Some projects die, and then that's very unfortunate. But with this technology, with the indexing of the protocols on Ethereum network and acting as this peanut butter to this jelly sandwich, it really does put everything together, and I don't think this is going to be a dead project by no means. So I also wanted to show you guys, I know this is a GRT video, but take a look at Uni right now, Uniswap. I saw this the other day and I thought this was very interesting. So here's Uni. This is only going back to December, maybe a little bit beginning of October on the 4-hour charts. But we did have this downward action, upward, even further down and then upward, and then further down and then upward, creating an inverse head and shoulders pattern, which is a very bullish indicator. And what we can actually do to see what kind of measured move, as you can see, we've already broken out, guys, and this is why Uniswap has been going up. But what we can do is we can go from that neckline of this head and shoulders pattern, go straight down to the top of the head, get rid of my extension, and what we can do is we can take this and we can place it right at the breakout of when that happened. And just coincidentally, it's hitting my resistance line that I have up here. I know this is very messy, but these once things start going crazy and start going parabolic, you can't really use horizontal resistance lines anymore. So these horizontal resistance line, and for you guys, this is the channel that we were working with. It was a previous channel that was broken out of. Same thing over here with this one. Let's go this channel right here. Let me get rid of these lines. This channel right here and this channel right here. So I do expect for Uniswap to come up and hit about a $5.50 uni on the short term. Like I said, this is a 4-hour chart. This is only going back to about the end of November. Not that long ago, guys. But this is a very good project. I know that this is a coin on Coinbase. If you guys have Coinbase's account, it's very easy to get into. Possible pullback. So we've entered kind of this new channel right here. It could be possible we go up and we can touch and we come back down and test these support lines down here. We could play in this channel for a little bit before having another blast off and going up above. Going above the $6 range, psychologically, any whole number on a coin or token is going to be psychological resistance, just like for Bitcoin. Bitcoin had this $10,000 resistance for a long time, and if you guys remember trying to get above that $10,000 Bitcoin, it was rough, and we were crossing our fingers. And when we did it, we knew it was blue skies after that. And can you believe it? Now we're almost at a $30,000 Bitcoin. Unreal, absolutely crazy. So these whole numbers are what we're looking at. We could be bouncing around here, but like I said, this is not a Uniswap video at all. It's a GRT video. So just want to go ahead and show you guys a little bit of what I've been kind of dabbling with. If you guys are liking this video, please leave a like, subscribe, drop a bell notification. I do like to put out daily videos, whether I'm going to start shifting into more altcoins. If you guys have any altcoins that you want to suggest, please drop a comment down below, and I will go ahead and do some TAs upon that. This one is a little bit crazy of a TA, and these are kind of for my eyes only. I didn't plan on showing you Uniswap, but I did want to show you this inverse head and shoulders pattern and how it's playing out right here. Next time I'll go ahead and I'll clear the entire chart and I'll redraw it for you as we're making the video. But anyways, thanks for coming in, guys. I hope you have a great New Year's. We're going to have a better next year. We better have a better next year, I swear. As far as, with the thing that's going on, I don't want to mention it. But anyways, thanks for coming in, guys. I'm dragging this out. I'm dabbling on. See you later.